Hello students, metals and non-metals part 2 ಎರಡನೇ ಭಾಗ MCQ questions from board paper only. Okay. Oxides of moderately reactive metal like zinc, iron, nickel, tin, copper, etc. are reduced by using aluminum as reducing agent, sodium as reducing agent, carbon is reducing agent, calcium is reducing agent. You have to select the correct option. In thermite welding, mixture of A dash and dash ignited with burning magnesium ribbon, which produces molten iron metal. Large amount of heat is evolved. Iron 3 oxide and aluminum powder, iron 2 oxide and aluminum powder, iron 3 chloride and aluminum powder, iron 3 sulfate and aluminum powder. Which option is correct? You have to select that. Galvanization is a method of protecting iron from rusting by coating with a thin layer of which metal. It is a process. Okay, it is used for the coating. Already you saw in the rusting. Okay, rusting, in that method they will avoid rusting. They have to use it. Okay, which metal they are going to use? You have to write correct option: gallium, aluminium, zinc, and silver. An element X is soft. It can be cut with knife. This is very reactive to air and cannot be kept open in the air. And it reacts vigorously with water. Identify the element: magnesium, sodium, potassium, and calcium. It's very easy question. You can write the correct answer. Copper object lose their shine from green coating. Why it is? Already you know this: copper oxide, copper hydroxide, and copper oxide. Basic copper carbonate, copper carbonate. Okay, you have to select the correct option. Number of protons in an atom of an element A is 19. Then the number of electrons in that atom A plus is how much? Already you know this answer: 18, 19, 20, and 21. Okay, write the correct option. Bauxite is an ore of dash: iron, aluminum, mercury, or copper. You have to select the correct option. The metal which is liquid at room temperature is bromine, mercury, iodine, and potassium. Is very easy question. You have to write the correct option. The sulfide ores are converted into oxides by heating the strongly in the presence of excess of air. This process is known as. There are four processes are there: roasting, smelting, calcination, and refining. You have to select the correct option. It's very easy. Which process sulfide ore is there means which process we will call. Electrolyte refining. The cathode is made up of pure metal, impure metal, alloy, or metallic salt. It's very important question it is. Stainless steel is a very useful material for our life. In stainless steel, iron is mixed with nickel or chromium, copper or chromium, nickel or copper, copper and aluminum. You have to select the correct option. Which of the following metals exist in native state in nature? Copper, aluminum, zinc, and silver. A and B, B and C, B and D, C and D.